Hi, my name is Casey. I'm a yoga therapist, and today we are going to do a 3-part breathing technique that's going to help lower any stress, anxiety by stimulating our vagus nerve through a diaphragmatic breath. So find yourself in a comfortable seat, or you can lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Sitting up nice and tall if you're seated, and lengthening through the spine if you're lying down. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your upper chest here. We're going to focus first on just breathing through our nose into our belly, expanding in the waistband, and exhaling, let it out. Inhaling into the belly, getting a nice deep breath in, and exhaling it out. Inhale, extend to the front, the sides, and the backs of that lower abdominal area. And exhaling, let it all out. Now we're going to extend the breath up into the rib cage, the space between our two arms, expanding the rib cage, inhaling. And exhaling it all out. Expand through that middle rib cage. And now take the breath into your upper hand, into your chest, opening up the scapula. Keeping the collarbones nice and wide. Feel the expansion in your heart and your upper chest. Now we're going to put the 3 breaths together. We're going to inhale through the belly, continue the inhale through the ribs, and up into the chest, and then exhale, first releasing the chest, the ribs, and the belly. So it's like an ocean wave. We inhale into our belly, ribs, chest, and let it fall from the chest, the ribs, and the belly. It's like an ebb and flow of a wave, a nice smooth transition, filling up from the base of the spine, working its way up through the chest, and releasing down through the chest, the ribs, and the belly. Let's continue at your own breath's pace. You can close your eyes or leave your eyes open, focused on one point. Nice smooth ocean wave breath, belly, ribs, chest, exhaling, chest, ribs, and belly. Float away into the sensation. ocean wave breath. And release your hands down by your sides. Take a full inhale in through your entire torso. Feel how much more expansion, how much room you have to breathe, how much more oxygen you can take in, the peace and clarity that you feel. If your eyes are closed, please gently open your eyes back into the room. And see if you can hold on to this ocean wave breath sensation throughout your day, or when you're feeling a little anxious, a little stressed. Bring yourself to a quiet place and take as many ocean wave breaths as you need to find your inner peace.